Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add games to wishlist on a Nintendo Switch 2. First, go to Nintendo eShop. Now select the account you want to use it with. And you can simply select a game you want to add to your wishlist. And simply click on this button or click on X on your Joy-Con. That will add it to the wish list. Also, you'll see this heart icon. Once you remove it from the wish list, the heart icon will be empty. And that's basically how you add it to your wish list. Now if you want to view your wish list, you'll need to go back, then go to wish list in Nintendo eShop, and you'll see your games in the wish list. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.